Hello, in this video I want to show you how to move your Steam Guard Authenticator code from a previous device to Asus Rog Phone 7 series of smartphones. And to do this, we'll need to have our previous device with a Steam Guard setup, or our phone number that is connected to the Steam account that we're trying to migrate the authenticator for. And now let's log in on our Asus phone. So I'm just gonna use the credentials for this account. Now we should receive the question if we want to log in to Steam from this device. Let's approve it. If you don't have access to this authenticator from a previous device, click on I don't have the access. There was a button for it right there, and then the new code should be sent to your phone number that is connected to the Steam account, and you'll be able to retrieve it. Now move to the Authenticator tab, select Authenticator, move Authenticator, enter the code that will be sent in the message in a second to our phone number 35227, verify code. You can see this code right here, and you can try to screenshot it to save it for later, as it might be necessary for retrieving your account in the future if you lose it. Now the authenticator here is set, and that's basically all. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.